it can be challenging to find the right desk for your gaming setup. A good gaming desk can significantly improve your gaming experience by providing ample space for your monitor and peripherals on a stable and adjustable frame. In this video, we've put together a list and reviewed the top 5 best gaming desks that you can purchase in 2025. For more details about the products, we've included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 5. Ikea UT Pal. Ikea may not be the first name that comes to mind for quality gaming furniture, but its UT Pal gaming desk is a solid and affordable option. Developed in collaboration with ROG, this desk features a thoughtful design. Unlike most other desks featured in this video, the UT Pal does not include motors or electrical components for standing height adjustments. However, priced under $300, it offers good value without those features. You can trust that the UT Pal can support a gaming PC and multiple monitors thanks to its large surface area and substantial maximum load capacity. If you're filling it with electronics, you'll appreciate the metal mesh at the back for ventilation, as well as the cable management net. The tabletop is ergonomically shaped on one side and can be reversed. Additionally, the desk height can be adjusted between 27 and 30 inches to achieve the perfect seated position. Number 4. Eureka Ergonomic Aero. The Eureka Ergonomic Aero is an impressive gaming desk with ample surface area for multiple monitors, a powerful PC, and various accessories. Its unique winged shape makes it convenient to reach for items. The back of the main desk features 3 adjustable shelves, perfect for housing additional monitors or speakers, enhancing your gaming experience. Underneath the main desk, there's a dedicated keyboard tray that allows for 360 horizontal rotation and 15 tilt, promoting better ergonomics while you type. Although assembling the desk can be a bit of a challenge and the seams where the wings connect aren't particularly visually appealing, the desk is sturdy and comes in several sleek finishes, making it ideal for both gaming setups and workstations. To help maintain a tidy gaming space, the desk includes useful channels for cable management, and there are headphones and cup holders to maximize your desktop area. Eureka has also integrated slots into the tabletop for propping up a tablet or smartphone, catering to multitaskers. Number 3. Secret Lab Magnus Metal Desk. The Secret Lab Magnus Pro gaming desk is an upgraded version of the original Magnus, maintaining its unique design with a magnetic ecosystem. This feature allows for easy integration of accessories such as cable management solutions, desk mats, and RGB lighting. The RGB lighting, although available for an additional cost, is simple to install and attaches directly to a dedicated spot at the top of the desk just before the cable tray. This Nanoleaf-powered strip offers a variety of custom lighting effects and can be synced with other Nanoleaf devices, all while being controllable through several smart home systems. Beyond its impressive RGB lighting, the desk features an ultra-durable metal surface and a steel chassis, ensuring it can support even the heaviest gaming setups. A built-in control panel allows you to adjust the desk height at the touch of a button, with a motor handling the adjustments to find your ideal sitting or standing position. To further enhance convenience, the left leg of the desk contains an integrated power supply and socket, enabling you to power your devices while keeping cable clutter to a minimum. Number 2. Cougar E Mars. The Cougar E Mars gaming desk is more than just a sturdy surface for your battle station. It offers a hub of connectivity options that makes connecting your components easy. The product includes a versatile USB-C and Type-C cable specifically designed for monitor extension, offering enhanced connectivity options. It also features 2 USB ports, along with dedicated audio and microphone jacks, ensuring that all your peripherals are neatly organized and easily accessible. In terms of design, the Cougar E Mars is thoughtfully crafted with ergonomics in mind, showcasing smooth, curved edges and rounded corners that not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to user safety. The desk is equipped with dual electric motors that provide seamless height adjustments, allowing for a smooth transition between sitting and standing positions. This functionality promotes a healthier workspace, accommodating various working preferences throughout the day. Number 1. Flexus Spot Echo. When you're tight on space, a smaller option like the Flexus E C1 adjustable height desk can help minimize your footprint while still providing ample surface area for work and play. The desk features a generous 40x 24-inch surface area, providing ample space to comfortably accommodate not only a computer monitor, but also a variety of peripherals such as keyboards, mice, and other essentials. Despite its compact dimensions, this desk is built for durability and stability. It boasts a robust steel frame that ensures long-lasting support, while the solid chipboard desktop is designed to hold up to 154 lbs, making it suitable for even the heaviest equipment you might use. This combination of materials not only contributes to its strength, but also enhances its aesthetic appeal, allowing it to fit seamlessly into any workspace. While the Flexus EC1 is much more basic compared to other options featured in the video, lacking RGB lighting or elaborate cable management solutions, it offers excellent value for just $200. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out our latest videos.